Hi guys, it's Miss Johnson, and today we're going to do a social studies lesson. So today's topic is prioritizing choices. Our objective says that I will understand how supply and demand impact decisions families and communities make about goods and services. So we have some vocabulary words that we need to go over. The first word is supply. Supply is the quantities of a good or a service that a producer is willing and able to make available for sale. So, some examples of some supplies would be like toilet paper, paper towels, soap, hand sanitizer. Those would be goods. The demand is the desire and the ability to purchase goods or services. So, what do we use to purchase goods and services? Money. Okay. So you have to have money in order to purchase these items that you need. Right now, we know that everybody is in need and wants hand soap, hand sanitizer, toilet paper, and paper towels. So those supplies are in high demand. So now we're going to be discussing scarcity. So these supplies that are in high demand, we're noticing that we go into the stores, the shelves are looking bare because there's a very high demand for these supplies. And people that have a higher amount of money to purchase these supplies are maybe buying these in bulk. And then other people that are come in and see shelves that are bare and kind of look like this picture you see up in the top right hand corner. So you're going to watch a video called Scarcity and Trade-offs. So we know that people have to make choices every day. Goods and services cost money, which is in limited supply. So we have a fixed amount that we have available to purchase both our needs and our wants. Our financial resources are smaller than our wants, meaning that we may not have the money to buy these big ticket items that we may want, like the Nintendo Switch, because we're going to need to use that money to purchase things that we need, like the paper towels, the toilet paper, food like cereal, milk, things like that. So I want you to watch this video on scarcity and trade offs. And then we're going to follow that up with an activity. So take a moment here and stop this video so that you can watch the YouTube video on scarcity and trade offs. All right, now that you've finished watching that video, your assignment or activity that you're going to do is going to involve you making a list, two lists, actually, one titled wants. So you're going to list like 5 things that you want. One of those for me right now would be the Nintendo Switch so that I can play my game Animal Crossing. So that would be one of the wants. And you're going to make a list of 5. I'm just going to give you one because I don't want you guys to copy what you see me write. So I'm going to put the Nintendo Switch as one of the wants and the needs. I want you to be specific about the things that your family needs. So you can't just say that you need food. You need to be specific about the things that you need, like cereal, milk, bread, to give you a few examples. So you're going to finish these 2 lists, and then we're going to prioritize that list. So now, once your 2 lists are complete, your needs and your wants, you're going to use them to make a new list. And you're going to have to keep in mind that you have a fixed amount of money to spend on what you need and what you want. So now you're going to take that list of 10 items and you're going to put them in order of importance. So, what's the most important thing that's needed from the 2 list? Okay. So, looking at the list I had of the cereal and the Nintendo Switch, Number one would be cereal because we need food. So that would be at the top of the list. The Nintendo Switch would be way at the bottom, my number 10. Okay? So, boys and girls, I hope that this lesson has helped you understand how we make choices every day about our needs and our wants based on the amount of financial resources that we have available to purchase these things. Until next time, bye, guys.